Hello, my name is Dave Sabre. I'm a game designer, IT technician, and overall tech nerd. This is a level I made in Unreal a while back to showcase some of my student projects, early portfolio stuff. I will put a link down below if you'd like to check it out on itch.io. While getting my degree, I worked mostly in 3D with Unity and, of course, Unreal, with some smaller 2D projects, mostly either for game jams or as sort of a proof of concept before making something a little bigger. If you go check it out, you'll see some exhibits including a 3D action puzzle game, a point-and-click story game, there was a mobile rhythm game, as well as a couple tabletop projects that I had worked on. I got started with modding for the Elder Scrolls back in about 2009-2010 using the TES construction kit, which led naturally to using the GAC to mod New Vegas and Fallout 3 since about 2013 or 2014. More recently, I've been very interested in Arma's Eden Creator. I love the sort of lively community surrounding the game. There's always tons of new content coming out from the community, as well as some newer creator DLC, which is what I was working in for this. I like the granularity of the editor's sort of pre-built modules with the ability to customize actor behavior, game conditions, etc. with scripting. I'm personally more proficient in C# and Java, but if you're familiar with Linux, the scripting and package structure still makes sense. I'd like to walk you through some of the mods I've done recently. This is one from a couple years back called Skid Row for New Vegas. It was a standalone dungeon for players level anywhere from 5 to 7 to get a good introductory challenge, and the loot reflects that. Players investigate rumors of an untouched pre-war industrial supply warehouse, only to find it overrun with mutated enemies and a haywire security system. Quest notes, objectives, mission parameters came primarily through the interaction with remaining operational terminals, and environmental clues, either hidden in the form of holotapes or as loot drops from key enemies, gave players strategies, tips, and even the location of some hidden caches around the level. Once the player pieces together the dangerous situation keeping them locked inside, they are able to then return to the wasteland, with an extra quest in their pocket and some freshly looted goodies. Now, this is a mod I made for the Prairie Fire DLC for Arma called Radio Silence. It's a multi-stage co-op mission for 2 to 6 players, takes about 30 minutes. It's a night op to investigate the disappearance of a friendly recon team in enemy territory. So you recover intel from their safe house, then you have to assassinate a high-value target. You have to then search around, locate a means of escape, and fight your way out from the area along the river that marks the exfiltration point. I was very fortunate to have some help in playtesting this, so I'm going to change my notes over to subtitle format for the rest of the video to keep the original audio intact.
I want to go east a bit, and then go south to take that one road. I don't want to go back in town. Do we need to go back in town?
Just keep going.
Keep
going.
I am.
Team.
Okay, let's do it now. There, I gave you some of that. Let me take a look. What are you? You look good. Are they to the left or right?
One's down.
There we go. Just say, Max?
I said, you tell me, driver. I'm just in the back.
I like backseat drivers.